Welcome to Henry's show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to do workbook Unit 3, short vowel E. Let's start. Circle and write. Number 1. This is a bed. It begins with B. Bed. 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 Number 2. Red. R. Red. No, number 3. Hen. Number 4. Pen. Number 5. What is it? A jet. Number 6. Okay, what do you think it is? It is wet. This is B because this is bad. And there we have one more thing that is add. Red. Right, 8 and right. Red. Number 2. We have 2 things. First, we have hen. No, it is a jet. So it's a person. C. It is a pen. So can you read this? And the rest of it is at. Yes, they're all left. So I know it's easy peasy, but we know the reason that why in this answer. Okay, because they both end with ET, so this is correct answer. Circle the correct picture. Is she napping? No. Is it napping? No. Napping? No. Okay, is the clock is napping? No. They can all not nap. They're always do forever. So we have to circle this. Number 2 is a pen. Is it a pen? Do you write with this feet? I think you don't like that if you write like this feet. Okay. Let's say I'm a hen. If I write with hen feet, do you think it will be happy? No. And you also can write with a pen, not a hen. Okay, now, number 3 will be jam. Okay, we can use jam and make a sandwich with that. But how can we make sandwich with this water? This is called a jam. How can we make sandwich with the water? If it is a dirty jam, that means it will be really dirty if we eat this bread. Okay? It will be really gross if you do like that. Number 4. Wet. Okay, now wet is something is all soaked. Yeah, sometimes that can be wet, but it is not a picture that is wet, so we have to circle that. Page 18. Now we have to find that circle of ram. They find that cap. This is a can. C-A-N. Can. Number 4. Hat. Number 5. Red. Number 6. Vet. Number 7. Hen. Number 8. Net. Now, let's write. We have bed. We have fed. Okay, fed means feed. Feed past tense. Okay, that means I'm feeding now. Okay? But fed. I fed yesterday. What already had happened? Fed and led. I mean, it's lead, past tense, lead. I'm showing the way to my house. I'm leading the way to my house. I led someone my way to my house yesterday. This is led and read. You know that. And we have then. Then is like a cave. But some people think that attic is a den. Because it's a little dark and it looks like a cave. Then of hand, of man. Okay, we learned man. You learn man in Unit 2. Man is only 1%. Only one boy person. Yes, one adult is a man. But if you have 2 or 3 or more people, that means it's called man. Not if you have 100 boys adult. We have 100 man there. No, we have 100 men. Okay. 10. You need to know that 10 number. It is a number. 10. Get. I will get something. I get a jar. I get a jam. I get a phone. This is called get and get. We have get. We have fed. We have wet. Now write the missing letters. It is red. Number 2 is wet. Number 3 is hen. Number 4 is jet. Number 5 is net. Number 6 is wet. Number 7 is bed. Number 8 is pen. Okay. Now let's draw red. No, I think I have to draw bed. I cannot color with this book. I'm using it. After I finish this, so I have to all erase it. Because we have to give somebody. So if I color it, I cannot erase it. Okay. It is, you can write 10, I think. Because we learned 10 now. Yes, it was not in vocabulary. Okay, just try to do something else. Let's do something else. What can we do? Draw. We can draw a pen. Okay, just draw like a pencil. But we need something. We can open and close. Number 3. Okay, what can we do? Net. Let's go. Soccer ball is coming towards. Okay. Number 1 is add. Bad. Let's write 2 more. Bad. Number 2. Add. Red. Number 3 is an. Hen. Number 4 is pen. Number 5 is wet. Number 6 is vet. Number 7 is jet. Number 8 is net. Next time we're going to learn Workbook Unit 4. Get ready to learn short vowel I. Now see you soon. Bye.